Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Not so long ago I bought a Runcam Mini Split or Runcam Split Mini V2, something like that, and I did the unboxing. You can find it as a previous video, just because I wanted to see like how this cam works. It has been praised by many people, and I wanted to see if I could get with my ET1V115, the L-Dark VT115, if I could catch some HD footage, not make it into a Cinewhoop, because I don't think it is the right camera for it, but I mean at least get some good footage, also because the camera on the L-Dark VT115, the 3S one, is not the best one. It's a CCD camera that it's kind of like hardly enhanced, or but it does its job, and you know, you can see where you're going, but it's just like a toy grade one. Anyway, so I thought, like, okay, I'll buy a good camera and I'll put it on, and I did that. I made a mount for it, and unfortunately, you know, I am modeler. I do make up models in balls and stuff like that, so I use wood, because 3D printing is not in my realm at the moment. Yeah, I mean, like, you know, I thought about buying a 3D printer to just do a mount. Will not be in my budget, so I just did it, and you can see some photos here and everything. And at the end I just stuck the camera on it, stuck the board on it, and had my first try. The first try was just like jello rainbows. Like, it was jello everywhere. I hardly, like, you know, I thought, like, 180p 60 frame per second, and that is being probably said loosely. I thought it was kind of a bit kind of, you know, an overstatement, because the jello was just horrendous. There are videos online that says that you have to change the lenses. Sometimes the camera comes with like loose lenses, and that's where you get the jello. No, not at all. When I had this quad, this is an old F450, and I tried to stack every possible camera on it, I will always get jello, always get vibration and get jello, unless the camera is stabilized. So I try my best to say, like, you know, with all my hopes, to see if the mount was not that good, but lo and behold, the actual low is still the same. You can even dip the whole camera into foam, like I did. I show you. I made a mount like that, and you can see all these foams here, all this foam here. Yes, I don't know if it's gonna ever focus, but the camera will stick in it and will be like practically encased in foam, so no vibration will get into it, or like very little vibration will get into it. And look at the footage, you still get jello. So practically, when it's encased in foam, you will get no jello if you your subject is nearby, because the camera will have no actual time to actually like adequate focus and everything, like to automatize everything, and therefore you cannot not perceive the jello. But as soon as you open the focus and as soon as you open the field, then you immediately see on the horizon this like wave going and it's a jello. It's just like nothing else. Thank you for this message. Anyway, that's my phone, sorry about that. And yeah, practically, if it isn't stabilized, don't put it on anything. If you want a Cinewhoop, put a stabilized camera on it. You will see the most successful Cinewhoops are the one with GoPros, or you know, like naked GoPro sessions, or other cameras which have a stabilization, a software stabilization in it, and they are like being stuck on a little quad with ducts and everything. But making the ET115 V2 V2 with the Runcam split, nah. Yeah, you can get like to a point where you run it like so smoothly, change everything, and then do a little bit of footage around the bush, you know, or in a playground, and you know your subject is very near, and you concentrate on everything else than on where it's going, and you could do some kind of cinematic experience with it. But then as soon as you open the field of view, great jello. So what happened to my Runcam? I just took it off. Stuck the ET115 V2 back into its original position, and I thought that's the best place to put it. Inside my cloud surfer. Definitely on a glider it's not gonna get any jello, and if it gets any jello it would be like only for a short burst when I just push it up, like, you know, or push the engine up, but it would be much difficult. It's very far away and encased as well in this case, so it shouldn't be a problem. The foam doesn't transmit so much vibration. We'll see when I get it. I leave you with some footage with it, and you will see jello, no jello, encased, whatever, you always get jello. Well, you will always learn something. Part of that, very good cam, nice, you know, it has a nice software. You power it up and it starts recording, you unpower it, you switch it off, stops recording, makes very nice videos. It is kind of like, I don't think it is like HD at 60 FPS. I wouldn't call it that. I'll probably call it 180p by 720, and probably 40 FPS, 35, no more than that. I wish I have the software to measure it, but I don't. But definitely at 60 FPS you don't get that kind of jello, sorry. Anyway, I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. There will be more videos soon. We'll get to see how the Runcam split works on a cloud surfer rather than, and maybe we found a real good calling for her. Blue sky to everybody.
Bye.